15. Hidden car tricks. No one knows about pro tips. Studies show that nearly 85% of car owners never read past page 10 of their owner's manual, which means most people are driving around with hundreds of dollars in hidden features they paid for but have never once used. And one simple habit most drivers do every single week at the gas pump is quietly destroying a part that costs up to $3,000 to replace. Today, you're going to learn 15 hidden car tricks and features that almost no one knows about, from a 60-cent fix that clears foggy headlights to the button your AC has that cools your cabin almost twice as fast. Stick around, because number 1 is the one that'll save you the most money. Let's begin now with trick number 15. Visual note, close-up of tiny nozzle on hood with a sewing pin hovering above it. Trick number 15, the pin windshield washer nozzle adjustment. You're driving into the sun, the glass is smeared with bug guts, you hit the washer, and the fluid sprays straight over the roof or dribbles down the hood, missing the glass completely. Most people assume the nozzles are broken and head to a shop where they'll quote you $80 to $150 for a simple fix. Here's what they don't tell you. Those little nozzles on your hood are adjustable, and all you need is a straight sewing pin. Stick the pin into the tiny hole on the nozzle and gently tilt it up, down, left or right to aim the spray wherever you want on the glass. 10 seconds per nozzle and you're done. Here's the kicker. On most modern vehicles, you can also aim one nozzle high and one low to cover the entire windshield in a single spray cycle, which actually uses less fluid in the long run. Trust me, this next one will shock you because it's been hiding in plain sight on your dashboard for years. Trick number 14, the gas pump arrow on your fuel gauge. You pull into an unfamiliar gas station in a rental car or your spouse's car, and you have no idea which side the fuel door is on. So you guess, pull up to the wrong pump, and either have to loop around or stretch the hose across the trunk. Here's how it actually works. Look closely at your fuel gauge. Right next to the little gas pump icon, there's a small triangle or arrow, and that arrow points to the side of the car where your fuel door is. Left arrow, left side. Right arrow, right side. This has been a standard feature on almost every car built since around 1986, according to the engineers at Ford who first added it. Here's what makes this even better. On some newer models, the fuel door itself has no exterior latch and is opened by pushing on it. So that arrow is often the only clue you're getting. You'd be very much surprised by this next hidden feature, especially if you live somewhere with hot summers. Trick number 13, the Key Fob all windows down trick. You walk out to your car after it's been baking in a parking lot for 3 hours, and the inside feels like an oven set to 140 degrees. Most people just crank the AC and sweat it out for 5 minutes. But here's the deal. On many cars from brands like Honda, Toyota, Ford, Volkswagen, BMW and Nissan, you can roll every window down from outside the car using your key fob. Press and hold the unlock button for about 3 seconds and all 4 windows will lower automatically, venting out the hot air before you even open the door. On some models, holding the lock button will roll them all back up. Here's the kicker. This same trick works through walls from inside your house, so on a summer afternoon, you can start cooling the car down 2 minutes before you even walk outside. But wait, if that one blew your mind, this next trick is one of the oldest mechanic secrets in the book. Trick number 12, the key fob head trick to extend its range. You're standing in a huge parking lot, you can't remember where you parked, and you click the fob to make the car beep, but nothing happens because you're too far away. Here's what most people don't know. If you hold the key fob under your chin or against the side of your head and then press the button, your skull actually acts as an antenna and amplifies the radio signal, sometimes doubling the effective range. This sounds like a myth, but engineers have tested it, and the extra fluid and mass in your head boosts the low power signal by as much as 20 feet. It costs nothing, it takes 1 second, and it works on almost every keyless fob made in the last 15 years. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier every single time you get in on a hot day. Trick number 11, the Recirculate button on your AC. When your car is baking hot, most drivers crank the AC to max and just aim the vents at their face, but you're actually cooling the car about 40% slower than you could be. Here's the hidden truth. That little button on your dash with the arrow curving back inside the car is called the Recirculate button, and it tells the AC to cool the air already inside the cabin instead of pulling in hot air from outside. Pulling in 95-degree outside air and trying to cool it takes a lot more work than re-cooling air that's already at 85. Press Recirculate for the first 5 to 7 minutes, and your cabin will hit a comfortable temperature almost twice as fast. Here's the kicker. On humid or rainy days, turn it off, because recirculating damp cabin air is exactly what fogs up your windows. If you made it this far, we'd really appreciate you liking the video. It genuinely helps us make more car tips like these. Back to the list. Trick number 10, the toothpaste headlight restoration. Your headlights are that foggy, yellow, cloudy mess that makes your car look 10 years older than it actually is, and a dealer will happily sell you new housings for $400 to $900 per side. Here's what they don't tell you. That foggy layer is just oxidized plastic on the surface of the lens, and a mildly abrasive paste will cut right through it. Grab a tube of regular white toothpaste, not the gel kind, put a quarter-sized dollop on a damp microfiber cloth, and rub each headlight in small circles for about 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse with water, dry with a clean towel, and the lens looks almost new. Here's the kicker. For under $10, you can buy a dedicated headlight restoration kit that lasts about a year. And clearer headlights don't just look better, they actually throw 30 to 40% more light down the road at night, which is a real safety upgrade. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem, because it's been on a sticker inside your car the whole time. Trick number 9, the real tire pressure number. You check your tire pressure, see the big number stamped on the sidewall and filter that. That's actually wrong, and it's one of the most common mistakes on the road. The number on the sidewall, usually something like 44 psi, is the maximum pressure the tire can safely hold, not what your car is designed to run. Here's the fix. Open the driver's door and look at the sticker on the door jamb. It'll list the exact recommended pressure for your car, usually between 30 and 35 psi. Running the correct number, according to the EPA, improves your fuel economy by up to 3%, and it can add around 4,700 miles to the life of each tire. Here's the kicker. Overinflated tires wear out the center tread first and give you a stiffer, bouncier ride, while underinflated tires wear the outer edges and can overheat on the highway. You'd be very much surprised by this next trick if you deal with winter weather. Trick number 8, the Ziploc bag mirror hack. It's a cold winter morning, your side mirrors are covered in a thick layer of ice, and you're standing there with a credit card trying to scrape them without cracking the glass. Here's the trick. The night before, slip a gallon-sized Ziploc bag or a plastic grocery bag over each side mirror and wrap the open end tightly around the base with a rubber band. The next morning, pull the bag off and the mirror underneath is bone dry, completely ice-free, in under 3 seconds. Here's the kicker. You can do the same thing with a thick tube sock over each windshield wiper, which stops the rubber from freezing to the glass and prevents the $20 to $40 replacement you'd otherwise need when the blade tears off. Trust me, this next feature is a legal requirement on your car, and most owners have no idea it's there. Trick number 7, the glow-in-the-dark trunk release. You toss the groceries in the trunk, your toddler climbs into play, and the lid slams shut. Panic. But every car sold in the United States since September of 2002 is legally required to have an emergency trunk release inside the trunk itself. Look at the inside of your trunk lid or along the back wall of the trunk, and you'll find a handle, loop, or lever that glows in the dark, often green or yellow. Pull it, and the trunk pops open from the inside. It's designed to work even if the battery is dead. Here's the kicker. Show this to anyone in your family who's old enough to understand it, because the feature only works if the person trapped inside actually knows to look for it. Now, for a secret car feature you probably use every winter without even realizing. Trick number 6, the side mirror defrost trick. You turn on the rear window defroster to clear the back glass, but your side mirrors are still fogged up and caked in frost. So you sit and wait. Here's what most owners don't know. On many vehicles from brands like Ford, Chevy, Subaru, and most luxury makes, the side mirrors are wired to the same defrost circuit as the rear window. That means, when you press the rear defrost button, small heating elements built into the back of each side mirror turn on automatically. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the ice to melt, but you never have to step outside. Here's the kicker. If your mirrors don't clear up within 10 minutes, the heating element may have burned out, which is a $40 to $90 fix at an independent shop, and something most dealers won't even mention on a service visit. But wait, this next one could save you from a massive repair bill if you read the signal correctly. Trick number 5, the flashing check engine light. A solid check engine light and a flashing check engine light mean two completely different things, and confusing them is how people end up with $4,000 engine repairs. Here's how it actually works. A steady, solid check engine light means there's an issue, but it's usually not urgent. You can drive home, make an appointment, and get it scanned in the next few days. A flashing or blinking check engine light means your engine is actively misfiring, which is dumping unburned fuel straight into your catalytic converter. Keep driving, and that converter can overheat and fail, turning a $200 spark plug and coil job into a $1,500 to $3,000 catalytic converter replacement. Here's the kicker. If the light starts flashing, pull over safely, reduce your speed, and get the car towed or driven gently home. Don't floor it on the highway hoping it'll clear. You'd be very much surprised by this next myth. because the dealer has been telling you the opposite for years. Trick number 4, the lifetime transmission fluid myth. Many newer cars come with what the manufacturer calls a sealed lifetime transmission, and the service manual will tell you the fluid never needs to be changed. Mechanics who've rebuilt thousands of transmissions will tell you that's one of the most expensive myths in the industry. Here's the truth. Transmission fluid is a lubricant, and like any lubricant, it breaks down from heat and friction over time. Run it too long, and the fluid turns dark, loses its properties, and lets metal parts grind against each other. A fresh fluid and filter service runs about $150 to $300. A full transmission replacement runs $3,500 to $8,000. Here's the kicker. On most modern vehicles, an independent shop will recommend a fluid change somewhere between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, regardless of what the manual claims. Your transmission will thank you with another 100,000 miles of smooth shifting. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem, because the dealer charges almost 10 times what it costs. Trick number 3, the DIY cabin air filter. You take your car in for an oil change, and the service advisor comes back with a dirty, leaf-covered filter saying your cabin air filter needs replacing for $80 to $120. Here's what they don't tell you. On almost every car built since 2005, that filter sits right behind your glove box, and you can replace it yourself in under 5 minutes with 0 tools. Open the glove box, squeeze the sides to let it drop all the way down, and you'll see a small plastic door. Pop it open, slide the old filter out, and slide the new one in, making sure the airflow arrow points up or toward the back of the car. A replacement filter costs between $10 and $20 on Amazon or at any parts store. Here's the kicker. A clogged cabin filter doesn't just stink, it forces your AC blower motor to work harder, and a burned-out blower motor is a $300 to $600 repair. Trust me, this next one is the trick every driver wishes they'd learned 10 years earlier. Trick number 2, the real range after your fuel light comes on. Your fuel light clicks on, your heart drops, and you start calculating whether you can make the next exit. According to testing from AAA, most modern vehicles still have between 30 and 50 miles of driving range left after that light first illuminates. The light is calibrated to turn on when you have roughly 1.5 to 2 gallons remaining, specifically so you have a safety buffer. Here's the deal. Running the tank to fumes once in a while isn't catastrophic, but doing it regularly is. The fuel pump sits inside the gas tank and uses the fuel around it as a coolant. Run the tank near empty week after week, and that pump overheats, wears out early, and turns into an $800 to $1,200 replacement. Here's the kicker. As a rule of thumb, refill whenever you hit a quarter tank, and your fuel pump will likely outlast the rest of your car. And now for number 1, the trick that can literally save you thousands of dollars, and it's the one almost every driver gets wrong. Trick number 1, the gas pump top-off that destroys your evap system. You fill your tank, the pump clicks off, but you squeeze a few more cents in to round up to an even dollar. Millions of drivers do this every single day, and it's quietly destroying a part most people have never heard of. Here's how it actually works. Every modern car has what's called an evap system, with a charcoal canister designed to capture fuel vapors, not liquid gasoline. When you top off past that first automatic click, liquid fuel gets pushed into the canister and saturates the charcoal, permanently ruining it. The check engine light comes on, your car fails emissions testing, and the repair ranges from $200 for a simple purge valve to $1,500 or even $3,000 once the canister, sensors, and connecting lines all need replacing on certain models. Here's the kicker. When the pump clicks off the first time, your tank is full. That's it. Hang up the nozzle, walk away, and you just protected yourself from one of the most common and most preventable repair bills in the industry. So that's the list. 15 hidden tricks that most drivers go their entire lives without learning. Now it's your turn. Which of these did you already know, and which ones surprised you the most? Drop the number in the comments because I read every single one. And if you want more car tips, mechanic secrets, and money-saving hacks like these, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Drive safe out there.